Howdy folks, Dad here with Terry Family Adventures. I've got my daughter Peyton here.
Hi.
And we are having caffeinated beverages. And we're going to do part 2 of Blacksmith Canyon. Come along for a ride. Welcome to Hardware Ranch. Well, folks, we thought we had a good idea where we were going to drive up around to hear the upper side of Blacksmith and drive back down it to the point we can't get past from the other side and continue filming on up the trail as if I'd done the whole trail. But that plan did not work out. We didn't make it. You've seen where the finger pointed was. We made it that far, and that was the end for us. So stay tuned for part 3 of the Blacksmith Trail. We're gonna break out the big guns, and we are going to make a video of this entire trail. So thanks for watching.